patient, Dr.Max Greig. I just had a total knee replacement, my left knee. I came down from San Diego, Escondido, California, actually. On Monday, had the surgery on Tuesday morning. Today's Friday, and I'm getting ready to leave the hospital. Everything's gone according to plan and really good on schedule. Everybody's treated me really good, from Alfred, coordinator down here, to the hospital staff and the doctors. Everybody else has been real friendly, real helpful. Yeah, Alfred picked me up at the airport, and he brought me here to the hospital, and now he's gonna be taking me over to the hotel where I'll be staying. And so far everything is going great. Looks like I'm coming along really good, and hope to walk out of here back to the States next Thursday.